Understanding Expert in the Domain, a guide to English mastery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem a bit complex at first but is incredibly useful in both professional and everyday settings. Expert in the domain. We'll break it down together, so you can confidently use it in your conversations and writing. Let's get started. An expert in the domain refers to a person who possesses a high level of knowledge and skill in a specific field or area of study. This phrase is often used in professional contexts to describe individuals who are not just familiar with a subject, but deeply understand it and are capable of solving complex problems within it. The word expert signifies profound knowledge or proficiency, while domain refers to a particular field or area of interest. Together, they highlight someone's exceptional expertise in a specific sphere. Understanding and using the phrase, expert in the domain, is important for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in accurately describing someone's professional abilities and strengths, which is crucial in job interviews, resumes, and professional networking. Secondly, recognizing experts in various domains allows for effective collaboration and learning. By identifying who has specialized knowledge, we can better seek advice, mentorship, and insights, enhancing our own understanding and skills in the process. To help you incorporate expert in the domain into your English repertoire, let's look at a few examples. Jane is an expert in the domain of digital marketing, known for her innovative strategies. Seeking an expert in the domain of renewable energy to lead our new project. He is widely recognized as an expert in the domain of classical music composition. Notice how the phrase elevates the sentence by providing a clear, specific indication of someone's expertise and the area it applies to. Experts are not only found in professional settings. Many people are experts in the domain of hobbies, community services, or personal interests. Recognizing and appreciating the depth of knowledge individuals have in various aspects of life enriches our community and personal relationships. It encourages a culture of learning, sharing, and respect for diverse skills and passions. Thank you for joining us today to unravel the meaning of expert in the domain. We hope this video not only clarifies the phrase but also inspires you to recognize and celebrate expertise in all areas of life. Whether you're aiming to become an expert in a domain yourself or seeking to acknowledge others' expertise, remember that mastery is a journey of continuous learning and growth. See you in our next video, where we'll explore more exciting aspects of the English language.